Bill, it's 1909, you're not here, mate. Where are you? Thank you. Right, first of all, thank you everyone for coming. It's best meeting we've ever had, funny enough. First of all, I'm going to start off with some thank yous to people who have helped this happen tonight. Obviously Richard and Dino have been phenomenal, been my rocks throughout this whole thing. Sorting it all out and helping out with the bits and pieces on it. Paul Barnett did a great job today on the valeting. Chris and Nick for doing some scrap collections in their areas have been absolutely fabulous. VW Down Under are going to be fitting the power steering we bought, and Neil from Light Steer also. I've got to say thank you to my wife Kirsty for putting up with me on the shit I've gone through for 8 weeks. But thank you lot, mainly for contributing in all the different ways. We've cooked, we've baked, we've cleaned, we've donated cash, we've donated stuff to sell, we've bought stuff, given up our time and used our skills. But most of all, we've kept a secret.
Massive!
So let's give us all a massive round of applause tonight. We'll do a clap. Now, there should be someone who's a little bit confused and don't know what's going on, hopefully. Can someone bring that man up for me, please? Take a seat, Bill. Take a seat. Take a seat. Take a seat. Right, Bill.
Don't spin it.
Bill, do you remember about 8 weeks ago me and you had a little chat on the phone about the state of this whole thing?
Oh yeah.
And I said I didn't want you to worry about it.
Well, I don't, yeah.
Look behind you, Bill.
What's it, Emma?
Look behind you. Look behind you. That's your new bus.
You're joking, mate.
We bought you a new bus!
Did you spill that?
Let me take it. Let me take it. Thank you.
Oh, God.
These are people all here for you tonight. You are loved beyond belief. I hope you like the colour. So it's tough if you don't. That's your bus, Bill.
You're alright, aren't you? Go on, Bill, go and sit in it.
You alright?
Yes.
Is this Bill Jr.?
Right, Bill, there's another thing. Right, Bill. There's one other thing I've got to say.
Yeah.
Classic Line Insurance have also given you a year's free insurance. Alright, now I would really appreciate everyone here. Classic Line has been sponsoring a header on the page for the next year. When your insurance comes up, if you wouldn't mind phoning them, if they can't beat the quote, that's their fault. But give them a ring, ask if they can beat the quote, because they have given Bill a free year. And we're also getting 15% on everyone's insurances as well. Not only that, Bill, I've got about 200 odd for £255. It's going to have a year's tax, cash worth of tax on it as well.
Oh, there you
And the steering.
And it's going in for power steering to be fitted at VW Down Under. We pay for power steering. They're going to fit it sometime in the future for you. So that's your bus. Also, one other thing. Bill, Peter here is the artist. He's going to do a little. I'm going to pull it forward in a minute, and he's going to do a little ditty on the back of it for you and graffiti your bus for you. Yeah. And if anyone else wants anything done on their buses tonight, he charges a tenner. He's an extremely talented man. There's a few of us have got them done already. But if you want it done, give Pete a shout, and he'll do something on the back of your bus as well. He charges £10. All right. Thank you very much, Peter. Where is it? Has he got it? Bill, also, there was the bus came with a table, and little Wally and Dino, when they've done lots of other work, have basically done you a little table, a little memory table. So you've got a little memory table there. There's also, Bill, I've got you a nice bottle of gin as well, and also, because I thought you might need a drink tonight when you go home. And there's also, everyone has signed a really nice memory book. I'm not going to give it to you yet. You can take it home with you tonight, have a few gins, and read what everyone thinks about you. And it ain't bad. Right, I'm getting out of here. I've had enough, right?
Good luck with driving through Van Zone.
Can everyone hear me? Okay.
Yeah.
Just to say, what a fantastic bloke Paul is, and fantastic club that my dad has actually joined. Many of you know that I've moved down to Holland-on-Sea, so I'll be going down there in about another half an hour. I'm just making sure the silly old sod don't fall over. Yes, I did know about it. On behalf of my family, my wife, all my boys, and also the grandchildren as well, a massive, massive big thank you. I cannot put in the words of what you've done. Thank you very much. All right then, thank you.
Well worth it.
Ding that one.
Yeah, I know. Thank me. Keep there, thank you, sir.